Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Hanson. I grew up in Southern Illinois near St. Louis. I traveled south to attend University of Alabama Dental School in Birmingham. After graduating from dental school, I did a one-year GPR, General Practice Residency at the VA hospital in Birmingham. I'm married, have 4 children, have 7 grandchildren, and 1 on the way. I enjoy sports, gardening, and making people smile. For the past 36 years, I've owned 3 separate dental offices. The last 25 years, I've been focused on perfecting the one-day denture service. In 2024, I joined Riviera Dental Care. Dr. McLemore wanted to incorporate one-day denture service into his practice. Our goal was to combine one-day mini implants with one-day dentures. And I look forward to meeting you when you come to our office.